Hi, good morning. Today we'll be discussing about the first and one of the most important section of class 12 accountancy, which is not-for-profit organizations. Not-for-profit organization is important because it contains 10 to 12% of the marks in the board examination of his own. Just one single chapter, it contains at least 8 to 10 marks out of 80 marks question paper, and you have 20 marks separate practical, which may also from this chapter only. So it is very important chapter. If you see, it contains approximately 20 to 30 marks in total 100 marks paper in board examination. So it's an important chapter, and today we'll be discussing about that chapter only. First thing first, you need to understand the concept of not-for-profit organization. So as the name suggests itself, not-for-profit organization, it's nothing but the organization which is meant for charity purposes, which are done for the purpose of welfare of society, welfare of well-being of human in the society, or anything to serve the humanity, which is not meant to earn profits. For example, charitable trust, the NGOs, the one who is serving foods during lockdowns, the charitable organizations, the trust for orphan students, orphan kids, the old age houses, the who takes care for elderly peoples, and many more like that, many more just like that. So basically, what are the any organization which is doing business, which is doing any kind of activity, but not for the motive of earning profit, but for the purpose of earning, but for the purpose of serving to the society, that is not for profit organization. But every business thing, every transaction which contains inflow and outflow of cash, which transact in money, they have to keep their record neat and clean, they have to make their accounts. So how can a not-for-profit organization adopt the same procedure that will be adopted by a profitable organization? For example, Reliance paid 30% of taxes of their revenue. Why? Because they are earning profit. But not for profit organization, they do not have to pay taxes because they do not earn profits. So they should not also they should also not follow the same pattern. That's why in our accounting system there is a separate accounting system for not for profit organization has been made, which we call not for profit organization accounts, that which we are going to learn today. So what is not for profit organization accounts? First things first, it has three different sections, three different accounts that we need to make in not-for-profit organization, which are namely, first is receipt and payment account, second is income and expenditure account, and third one is the balance sheets. Income and expenditure account and receipt and payments account. First of all, you have to prepare receipt and payment account, and you have to understand also receipt and payment account. What is receipt and payment? As the name suggests, once again, receipt is the debit column, which means each and every money which has came to the organization during a period of time, during a particular year, during a particular accounting year, it will be shown in the receipt side, irrespective of the nature, whether it's capital income, whether it's revenue income, whether it's recurring, non-recurring, last year's advance, current year outstanding, you have to pay to other, irrespective of any matter. If the money has came to the organization, not for profit organization, it will be shown in the receipt side of not for profit organization, or it will be shown in the receipt side of receipt and payment account. Similarly, every payment from 10 lakh rupees to single rupees, from millions to billions, each and every single rupees which has been expended during the year, during a financial year, from a not for profit organization, it will be shown in the payment side of receipt and payment account. Now, why, in which side receipt will be shown and which side payment will be shown? Receipt and payment account deals with the cash, only and only cash transactions, or the payment transaction, the actual payment. It does not count outstanding, advance, or prepaid, doesn't think these things. If the payment has came in real form, then only it will be recorded. So anything which is in transisted form, which is in tangible form but do not have life in it, what we call them? We call the real account. And as the golden rules of real account, debit all, in debit what comes in, credit what goes out. That's why receipt will be in the debit side, that will be the debit side, and payment will be in the credit side. Understood? This is receipt and payment account. So what we understand about receipt and payment, each and every transaction, each and every money which has came to the organization during a period of time will be shown in the debit side of receipt and payment account under the heading of receipt. Each and every rupees which has been